Guys, it's Avantika. Today, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make an cool pull card. It's super duper cool. I searched it up on YouTube and it was so cool. So the things that you're going to need are just two materials, which is pretty easy, so you can hear it. And now you can see a A4 size paper. Okay, and some sketches. I chose rainbow because I love rainbow. And you can split up and stick back on. It's super duper cool. And yeah. So first, you gotta start with your sheet of paper. And now put it like this. First, gotta fold this till here. Take the top and fold it over here. I'm gonna do that. Hope you can see. I don't know if you can see or something. Alright, you'll get it like this. And then put it back, open it back. And then you can see a line, right? And now just fold it tip top like this to the lines, and do the same thing to here, to down, and to the other side as well, same. So let's do that. Make sure you can see the lines. Alright. You will get a shape like this. This side was the hardest. It's not in one turn. It turned out really good. And now you gotta take this part and put it to this line. Taking this part. You gotta do the same thing to the other side as well.
Okay.
And now you'll get it like this. And then put this till here, the same to the other side as well. Stay like this, and then you'll get this. And like an envelope thing. It'll kind of look like that. And now turn it around and put it like this, and write whatever you want about things. So I'm gonna use these colors on the order. We're almost done. Guys, I'm gonna finish writing in rainbow colors, and I'll be right back. You guys, I have finished writing, and I'm gonna read what I wrote later. So now I'm gonna draw. I wrote it like this, and now I won't forget, promise. Now I'm gonna draw a cake as a decoration over here. So yeah, decoration. like this, but rainbow. See when we pull it, see? This will come so we can read. See?